In 1987, I met Peter Stewart living in his van in Venice Beach, living with his parrot named Crackers. He was painting, doing all kinds of things to stay alive.
I met Peter Stewart in late summer of 1994. I assisted him with painting the mural.
What I think this mural means to veterans is everything. It's like their signature through Peter's art.
Piece by Piece was awarded the opportunity to work with veterans to create a design for a new mural that will be done in mosaic, honoring a part of the existing mural that will be decommissioned. What's really important in our general workshops is creating a comfortable environment where people feel safe that they can express themselves.
I was in the U.S. Marine Corps for 7 years. Served in Vietnam 14 months. Then I got wounded. Art helped me cope with a lot of things that I am going through.
We had around 15 to 20 workshops. We did some watercolor, collage. All of those things led to the final design that everybody came together and agreed upon.
The main thing that people wanted to see more of was all types of diversity, different genders, different ages.
I believe that we did honor the vision of the veterans. They included a lot of elements that they felt were very important to them, and so that's a success in the project.
I'm a little lighter at heart than I was since working in the workshop.
To give some input to this project mean everything to me.
I think everybody's going to be satisfied because of the work they've created. It's really been a dream come true.
I'm just really grateful to Metro Art and Piece by Piece for inviting me to be a part of this thing that happened 30 years ago. I never would have imagined things would come full circle.
Peter would have loved this new mural. They've really kept his spirit alive in it. And get this, they even included Crackers, his parrot. That would have meant the world to him.